but I don't know that anything's really in a good spot to win. I'll just see if I can see if Violet's gonna move at all. Let's go to the left right here. Oh my god, those people are like oh my god, I just went away from the golden ticket. I hate that.
Got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Oh, I hear it. I hear it saying, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I hear him saying, superstar. Robert walked away from all his praise.
Huh?
You walked away from all your praise.
I know.
So was that just one try or a couple tries?
One.
One. Okay, good. We still have, I might play that one for a little bit.
I had to adjust it. It's just, I don't do well when I've got people on both sides of me, or one side of me. I can't do it. It freaks me out. It frustrates me. And I'll take 5 minutes for it to get going. First, I'll post all those tickets so nobody's going to be playing it for a while. I'm just happy I was able to do it. I'm not doing good with it today. I should have thought I'd get 100,000, but I'm not. What are you going for?
Nothing. I was using up these and then I'm gonna possibly switch
There's
machines.
some weird stuff in these places.
There's really nothing that you can get without putting a bunch of money on it.
Right, I get it. It's kind of the closing point.
Yeah. But I feel like we have a chance with Arthur on that machine to the left. Do you want to stand there? Get it ready?
Oh, sluggy? Yeah. How many do you think, two?
Just put the rest of the money on it. I think there's only like $6 left. Alright, we're done with this machine. And then we're gonna...
26.
How much? You only want to do 26 tries?
Yeah.
Alright, that's fine. That's fine.
I don't play this game very often, so...
Alright, hold on. Let me jump over. Alright. Let's see if we can get that Arthur slugger.
Jammed it. There we go. That's not good.
Yeah, that's as far as that's going to go over. I know it's always like, it needs to go over a little more, but...
I know, you need that little extra push. Darn. I guess there's no way of preventing that bounces there.
Oh, that... Oh.
That was a cheap bounce.
Didn't do the best, but...
There we go. That angle's a
That's a
little
good
better.
one.
Yeah, I like that angle. But I still like the
that
angle.
moved it.
Yeah. The angle's a little better. There we go. That's actually a perfect spot. It keeps going to that spot, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's an old token right there.
I saw that.
It's a piece of history.
It says, what does it say? I don't know.
You people are fools.
It says, sucker.
You really think you're gonna win?
I'm older than you. I've seen a lot more. Oh, there you go. Isn't that weird? We hear that at every single arcade.
That must be the sound effect of the arcade industry. You get nothing? Well, we'll see.
You got nothing.
Yeah, but look how close I am.
Oh.
Yeah. So what, 2 or 1?
Whatever you think. He wants to hold on to that $2.
I'm keeping. I got a good spot figured out. I like it. It's a good spot. It's like trout fishing. Don't give up a good spot.
Oh, you got a card that was unexpected.
Yeah, I did.
If we get points to fall because it's stuck.
This is a magical spot. Oh.
10 tickets. Oh man, we didn't even get TV because he got stuck. Oh. I have to do the last 2 for sure. That's it.
That's it.
42 plays.
You, sir, are finished.
And then we're done. We're gonna go back to the room.
Watch some cars
And this is a good way to do it. We couldn't even put more money if we wanted. They have shut the machine down.
Yeah, they have. This is the end.
They said
this is not us just talking. This is
like you need to stock up if you wanted to. They gave a last call. Oh my God, Mike is not moving.
You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. That's what they're saying.
Yeah. There we go. Now he comes down. I was talking about TV was stuck in the, I don't know, rolling pins. Ooh, Arthur's very close.
And very difficult, but we got a perfect spot.
Oh my God. We're gonna get 3 cards.
He will be ours. He will be ours. Perfect. That angle is just absolutely perfect. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
There it is.
All right, so now...
I just don't even want to leave that spot because I like it so much.
You can stay at that spot.
No, I'm just saying it was such a perfect angle.
There was a good angle. There's really no other cards that you can win. So... I'm trying to think.
Don't think.
Yeah, I don't think anything else is winnable, but just whatever you think.
I don't think anything. I just think we're done.
We're done.
Shouldn't use that last...
You're right. You're always right. Mama's always wrong. Mama's wrong again.
Wrong again. I heard a lady say earlier, Grandma's wrong again. That's kind of funny.
That is funny.
Because you always say Mama's wrong again.
Alright, we're going to get a bonus and it's going to be golden ticket and then we're not going to be able to get it.
We're not going to be able to get it.
I'm going to cry. Is it sad that I'm glad we didn't get it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like it might be an instant win. Or I don't know if it's going to like fall like on the playing field. It's hard to tell the way it's angled. I don't know.
That was weird.
Did you break it again?
I did. Yeah, that's really accurate.
I said you couldn't win anything, but Augusta Gloop, you were getting. I'd focus on the left. He's doing a little movement.
Yeah, but he ain't gonna come down.
You never know.
He's stuck in the chocolate tube. Good Lord.
That's fine.
I want these tokens right here. Uh-oh. Now I'm stacking them up.
You just like placing your coin.
I do. It makes me happy. And I just want to
get tickets when they didn't fall over, but it is fun.
We don't get nothing for these tokens?
No, you don't.
Oh, I thought we did.
Nope, you don't.
I was just trying to make it better for ourselves.
It's fine.
A better world.
It is a better world.
A whole new world.
Said something about you're the best.
Us.
No, he said you're the best. All right, we have a Slugworth, we have a Grandpa, we have an Oompa Loompa, we have a Grandpa Joe. We have, I mean, honestly, hold these.
You have a full set. So we don't get those either?
No, you don't get.
What do they count for then?
They don't count for anything.
Then what's the point of it?
I don't know.
Those don't count for
Let's see
anything.
what we got.
The coins fall and you get nothing.
No, they don't count for anything. I'm sorry to burst your bubble.
I don't have a bubble to burst.
It burst. Spread them out. Grandpa, Augusta, Veruca. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who are we missing? Okay, we got them all. Because there's the Oompa Loompa. Alright, so we don't have them all. Because you have to have a golden ticket. That's the bad thing I hate.
Oh, that's stupid.
I know. You have to have the golden ticket to receive 5,000.
And it's not spitting anything out. Maybe a little on the bottom.
I wish they did like, if you just did these 9, you get like 2,500,
Right.
but then if you get the golden ticket, you get 5,000.
That would be fair.
Because now we have to totally get golden tickets. So we have a complete set if we find a golden ticket.
And it doesn't look like it's been spitting any golden tickets.
I haven't seen anyone win any golden tickets, so I don't know. Alright, that's it. We're done for the day. Done for the day.